The benefits and drawbacks of having high ceilings in your new home. Dear friends, if you're considering a new home build, you probably have your heart set on certain features. A gourmet kitchen, a large master suite with a luxurious ensuite, or perhaps you dream of spacious, family-friendly living areas. While all of these are highly sought-after features, there's one that can take your home to the next level, and that's high ceilings. Homes with high ceilings offer so much more: space, natural light, and aesthetic appeal. They can even boost your home's value. So, what do you need to know about high ceilings before you build? In this video, we discuss the pros and cons of high ceilings in your new home. What are the benefits of high ceilings? Here are the main benefits for you to consider. Your home feels more spacious. High ceilings can instantly make your home feel more spacious and luxurious. The extra height even makes tiny rooms feel bigger. Rooms with high ceilings also have the advantage of being able to accommodate beautiful feature lighting, such as a chandelier. Abundant natural light. High ceilings fill a home with lots of light, giving it an open, grand look and feel. You can also maximize views by having larger windows as a feature, allowing you to frame a view or use window furnishings to add to the ambiance of the room. High ceilings are most impressive in living areas, with plenty of natural light flooding the space with sunlight and fresh air. Luxe look. High ceilings can turn a nice home into a stunner. There's something very impressive about walking into a room with high ceilings. And they never go out of style. Increased home value and easier resale. Thinking of selling your home in the future? High ceilings are a great selling feature, creating an instant wow factor during the open house. Agents agree that homes with high ceilings are usually easier to sell and tend to attract top dollar from buyers. Are there any drawbacks to consider? While there's no doubt that high ceilings are desirable, there are a few things to be aware of. Maintenance and cleaning. High ceilings are a bit more difficult to clean, paint, and maintain. The higher your ceilings, the harder it may be to perform maintenance safely, so you might need a contractor to give you a hand with these jobs. Heating and cooling. High ceilings may contribute to higher energy bills, as it's harder to cool a larger space. That said, a ceiling fan can help circulate cool air during summer and warm air during winter. Because heat rises, rooms with high ceilings may also be harder to heat. However, you can install energy-efficient windows to reduce heat and intense sunlight during summer, as well as prevent heat from escaping during winter. Extra noise. Homes with high ceilings tend to be a bit noisier, as sound travels easily through open spaces. You may also find that high ceilings make sounds echo, so it might be worth adding some soft furnishings such as carpets, rugs, curtains, throws, and cushions to dull the noise. Building costs. If you're building a new home, you'll usually have the option of choosing between standard ceiling height or paying a bit more for high ceilings. Most people agree that it's money well spent though, with high ceilings taking your new home to the next level in so many ways. Should you go with high ceilings for your new home? High ceilings are certainly a lovely feature to have in your new home. If you don't like open floor plans and prefer rooms that are separate from one another, then high ceilings may not be for you. But for most people, the pros do outweigh the cons. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.